Cardi B and new flame Stefon Diggs amid offset drama. Cardi B and her new boyfriend Stefon Diggs partied together at a boat show in Miami, Florida on Sunday. Stefon Diggs sported a white t-shirt with a bucket hat as he sat beside Cardi B. Cardi B coordinated with Stefon in a white tank dress, and she wore a long platinum blonde and pink ombre wig for the seaside outing. Cardi B flaunted her suspiciously larger behind in the clingy mini dress, which she paired with a brown floral purse. Thanks for watching video.